It's a quick technology tip.
All right, so here's a situation that you might run into someday. All right, I accidentally just deleted something. The problem was I also accidentally closed my doc that I was working on. So undo isn't working. I'm pressing undo and it's not bringing the thing back. Here's the nice thing about Google Docs and other things like even Google Slides. You can come up here to where it says File, and then you go to Version History, and you see the version history. So you click on that, and it will bring up anything that has been changed since the time it was created. So this is what it looked like when it was created. This is the one that was deleted. That's what all those little strike through lines mean. We're going to want to go back one more. So I'm going to go back one more to the time before when it was all changed to this. So now I'm going to go ahead and restore this version, and this will take it back to before I deleted it. It's back. So again, sometimes we might accidentally delete something, and if you close out this tab or go somewhere else or do too many changes, all of a sudden this undo isn't going to work anymore. So you have to go to File, Version History, see Version History, and put it back the way you want.
It's a quick technology tip.